The Galaxy S25 Ultra is officially here, and the excitement is real. Thanks to a reliable leak from EV Leaks, we've finally got our first look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra, alongside the regular and Plus variants. Let's just say, this is a game changer. If you've been waiting for the next big thing from Samsung, you're in for a treat. The design is where Samsung is really stepping up its game. The S25 Ultra boasts a stunning titanium blue color, offering a premium feel with thinner bezels, rounded corners, and a modern, sleek look. The iconic S Pen is also included, matching the device in a beautiful titanium blue. Samsung hasn't stopped there. The regular and Plus models come in two additional color options, a deep, dark blue and an elegant icy blue. These colors are set to make the Galaxy S25 stand out in the market, and they've definitely nailed the aesthetic. However, it's not just about the looks. The real excitement comes with the specs, and Samsung has packed some serious upgrades under the hood. The standard configuration across all models is 12 GB of RAM, but for those seeking more power, the S25 Ultra offers options for 12 GB or a whopping 16 GB of RAM. This increase in RAM isn't just about offering bigger numbers, it's about enhancing the phone's multitasking abilities and AI-powered tasks. Whether you're switching between apps or running intensive tasks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra ensures smooth, responsive performance. On top of that, all models will be equipped with LPDDR5X memory. This memory standard is faster and more energy efficient than its predecessor, ensuring quicker performance and less battery drain. The memory chips are also built using a 12-nanometer lithography process, which ensures that performance doesn't come at the expense of battery life. This combination of faster memory and efficient power usage will make the S25 Ultra a powerhouse of a device. In a surprising move, Samsung has decided to source memory chips from Micron instead of manufacturing their own. This change comes after issues with overheating in their previous chips. By turning to Micron, Samsung is ensuring that their new devices will run cooler and more efficiently, making the S25 Ultra even more appealing to tech enthusiasts who value performance without compromising on thermal management. Speaking of performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is already outpacing its predecessor, the S24 Ultra, on Geekbench. In single-core performance, the S25 Ultra scores nearly 1,000 points higher, and in multi-core performance, it outshines the S24 Ultra by over 3,000 points. That's a massive leap in performance, making the S25 Ultra one of the most powerful smartphones to date. When it comes to the design, Samsung has made further strides in reducing the size of the bezels, giving the device a more modern and immersive look. The S25 Ultra's design is slimmer than even other flagships, like the Xiaomi devices and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Samsung is definitely leading the charge when it comes to aesthetic and ergonomic design. Now, if you're eager to get your hands on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung is already offering pre-registrations. If you sign up before January 21st, you'll receive a $50 credit and have a chance to win a $5,000 Samsung gift card. Plus, if you trade in an old device, you could receive up to $900 in credit. That means you could save up to $1,250 with pre-order deals alone.